Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We have built the product list and the blocking system, but today we are adding the detailed view. In this video, I'll show you how to design a responsive single product view using Tailwind CSS Ajax and JavaScript, so your admins can inspect every detail of a listing instantly. A professional admin panel shouldn't make you navigate back and forth between pages just to read a description. Efficiency is key. Today we are going to program a dynamic model system that triggers when you click View Details. It will fetch real-time data from our MySQL database and displays in a beautiful structured overlay. Let's go to our website. We have moved away from a basic pop-up structured multi-column workspace. On the left, we focus on the product identifier. On the right, we provide the information layer. This keeps the UI balanced and professional. The use of rounded 3XL for the model and a heavy drop shadow create a floating effect. This signals to the admin that this is a temporary high priority window. The product thumbnail is large and clear. By giving it rounded corners, we maintain consistency with the main product list design we built earlier. Notice the seller section. We have included a circular avatar and the seller's email right under their names. This is critical for an admin who might need to contact the instructor immediately if there's an issue with the product. Data is categorized into the clear sections so it is readable in under 5 seconds. The desktop badge at the top uses a light blue background. This tells the admin the category instantly without them having to search for it in a long description. The description uses a clean, light gray text. This provides enough contrast to be readable but stays secondary to the bold headings, keeping the UI clean. At the bottom, we have used a 2-column grid for price and skill level, using bold, dark fonts for price and level. This makes the most important data points pop. And we have placed the status indicator in its own dedicated light gray box on the left. This isolation is international. It makes the active badge extremely easy to spot, allowing for quick verification during the moderation process. The close button at the top right is minimalized. This is a standard escape pattern, ensuring the admin window and get back to the main list instantly. By using different font weight, we guide the admin's eye naturally from the most important to the least important informations. Now let's dive into our code. This is our admin product.php file. We use a layered approach to focus the admin's attention purely on the task at hand. Backdrop blur SM. Notice the PG slate 900 divided by 60. This combined with the blue effect. This creates a high-end glass morphism look, making the background content out of focus so the admin can concentrate on the model details. By using flex item center, justify center min edge screen, we ensure that no matter what the screen size is, the model always pops up perfectly in the center. A professional UI doesn't just appear, it flows. We use Tailwind animate in, fade in, zoom in, duration 300. This adds a subtle scaling and fading effect when the model opens, giving the application a fast and responsive feel. The W full max W2XL classes. This ensures that the model expands to a comfortable width on desktop but shrinks safely to fit the mobile screens. User experience is about communication. Inside the product model, We have a dedicated loading state while the Ajax request is fetching the data from the database. The admin sees a smooth spinning blue border. This tells them, wait a second, they are getting the information for you. We have combined input and display into a single workspace. The Add New category. This section is wrapped in a light beige red 50 box. This visual separation tells the admin that this area is for input, while the list below is for information. We have a hidden paragraph for message. If the category is added successfully or if there's an error, this pops up to give instant feedback without anyone alerts. The Max H60 Overflow Y Auto is a live server. If you have 50 categories, they won't break the page. They will stay inside a neat, scrollable container. The use of only closed product model on the backdrop is a best practice. It allows the admin to simply click anywhere outside the box to close it and get back to work. Using rounded tree Excel gives the admin panel a friendly modern touch vibe, moving away from the old-fashioned square corners of basic admin template. And that is the UI architecture behind our Skillshop admin models. We have successfully designed a space that is clean, interactive, and highly efficient for our moderation team. So this is the end of today's video. Thank you very much for joining with me, and I'll see you again with another video. So have a nice day all, and goodbye.